Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. So on this one I have this Mercedes S320. This is a 2000 model, the W220. I'm gonna have a look at the condition of the air filters, but this is how you could replace them as well if you needed to change them. So there is two on this car, and they are sitting under this cover, under these covers here. So we need to pop this out really in order to access them. So to do that, we are going to take these hoses to one side and this other one here as well. And I'm just going to remove the center here as well, just to give us some extra room. That pops out and then slides towards you. And then we can take this out. This also basically pops out of there. I may just need my two hands to achieve that goal. Okay, you got one side out, and then you have the other side out. And there we are. So if we just turn that upside down, you will find that there are some Torx screws that we need to undo in order to open those little covers. Just bring this forwards a little bit. There's another Torx there. Another one. It's a 4 and 4. Let's just see what these are. It's a T30, so it's a T25. Going to undo that. That. When tightening these ones, we really want to be gentle, because they're only going into plastic. So sometimes if they get over tightened, they actually just round the plastic on the other side, and then you can't really fit them properly again. Right, so let's take that out. That's where the filter is. Pull this out and have a look. So it's a little bit dirty, but it's not too bad. That's a Mercedes one, A273-094-0204. So when you take it out, you can also clean this in here. So same procedure for the other side. I'm just going to take it out and have a look at the condition. Okay, so I got that one out as well, and I was just wiping out any dust from there. These are okay. They're not particularly terribly dirty. This car was serviced not long ago, but you don't really change these every year. These days you change them every 2 years or so. Anyway, if you get your new one, put it in there in the cover and get your cover back on there. And as I said, when you're tightening those screws, just be careful not to over tighten them. that's it. Just make sure this is nicely closed. Same for this side, and just refit the cover back onto the on top of the engine. So not a difficult one. So I hope this video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.